There are tools in AutoCAD to automatically divide geometries, such as lines and arcs, and they also make it possible to insert reference points in a drawing. In this class, you'll learn how to work with some tools related to these cases. The divide command creates uniform spaces based on points along the length or perimeter of an object. When you click the command, it requests you to define the number of segments for dividing the selected geometry. The object will be divided into this number of segments. This division will be displayed only when the node option is enabled. This option is in Object Snap from the status bar. So let's divide this line into 5 segments to simulate the drawers in this chest. Then we'll divide this other line into 10 segments to organize the handles in the center of the drawer. Use the snap tools to do this and make copies by snapping to the midpoint. Input the desired value into the measure tool so that the command divides the object into the possible number of parts. For example, when you need 15 cm drawers in this space, click Measure, select the line and input 15 for the value. Finish the geometry using the respective lines from the created points. Let's check the measurements and see the size of the last drawer is only 14 centimeters. Therefore, the division is not possible and you need to increase the size of the geometry to make equal part segments. These points you see here are editable when using the DDP type variable. Use this box to edit the inserted point style. One of the available options is to hide these temporary points. Use the point command to insert points by clicking in the workspace or on a specific geometry. These points are used to identify places where you need to start a new drawing, or even as a reference for showing a measurement or other data. You can define the point style and size based on the screen size or absolute units. There are 2 benefits for using the PD size variable to change the point style. It makes it easier to distinguish them in the drawing. It affects how the points are displayed in the drawing. So you have studied some extremely important tools in this class for quick calculations on dividing entity segments. This way you save time and flexibility in drafting your drawings.